Hi, I'm Andy Calvanese, Vice President at WheatStone Corporation. You know, the words intelligent network are not just a marketing slogan we made up. In the IT world, an intelligent network, or a network with distributed intelligence, functions differently than AOIP radio networks have in the past, and here's how. Every radio station's AOIP network has access points, known as nodes, where devices such as microphones connect to the network. In addition, there's a point where the network's control and intelligence is located. On the network we see here, the core intelligence is located at one point on a PC. But an intelligent network works differently. Intelligence and control is not centered in a computer. In fact, there is no computer or central point of control. The core intelligence is distributed to each node. This enables the network to function with a higher level of performance. How smart a network like this is depends on how smart the nodes are. So, how smart are the nodes in a WheatNet IP system? Amazingly smart. Each node on a WheatNet IP network, which we call a blade, is an entire control and routing system in itself. Each blade has enough intelligence that on its own it can switch audio, control logic, make program decisions, or fire a salvo. Each blade contains local routing control, standalone operation, utility mixing, and high-level logic functions like silence detection. Within each blade is a complete routing and control system. If you compare the standalone functionality of a blade with that of a traditional node, you can see a dramatic difference in capabilities. In addition, each blade contains the configuration of the entire network. With this network, there is no single point of failure. In fact, there are as many points of recovery as you have blades. In a catastrophic situation, if just one blade is running, you can restore your entire network from it. But how does all of this distributed intelligence help you run a better network? Jay Tyler is back in our demo studio to show us how. Jay?
Well, Andy, we're setting up a WheatNet IP system, and I'm just about to add a blade to the network. I'm showing what's happening on a split screen so you can see my action and its effect. On top, you can see a shot of our studio where I'm about to connect the blade to the network. On the bottom, you can see the network GUI as it monitors the system. Right now on screen, we see no indication that a new blade is part of the network. When the blade is connected to the network, this is where you will see it appear. I'll start the process by turning the select knob. Here we go. Within 2 seconds of being selected, the blade appears in the network fully configured and ready to be used. It's that simple. Plug it in, select it, and use it. Now let's talk about what we did not have to do. Because of the distributed intelligence of the network and the network design have eliminated several manual steps that are no longer necessary. There's no need to hand enter IP addresses. Why not? Remember the chart? Because each blade is self-aware. It knows its IP address, and as soon as you plug it into the network instantly knows it too. Because WheatStone's intelligent network runs at full gigabit speed, all audio gets to where it needs to be without tagging or prioritizing your audio streams.
Thanks, Jay. But what we are describing is not just a network that is easier to set up, it also makes ongoing management of your network easier. A major reason to invest in an AOIP network is to be able to quickly make the changes you need to manage your facility. If you need to add a satellite you didn't need before, you can make the change without having to rewire your facility. The WheatNet IP network helps make your ongoing system modifications, expansions, and maintenance far easier and more accurate than ever before. You can learn more about the WheatStone Intelligent Network by visiting www.wheatip.com.